nicknamed as the heart of Sigay, Binmalay, derived its name from the Pangasinan phrase na Maliw Yabalay, or it is a place or a territory that has been converted into a town, because it is believed that the municipality was formerly a part of the town Binalatongan, now known as San Carlos City. The town is famous for its bangus, or the milkfish, aquaculture due to the existence of its numerous fish ponds, or pokok in Pangasinan language. I believe that love and awareness are the keys to building a better future for Binmalay. That's why my advocacy revolves around spreading love, raising awareness about the importance of environmental conservation. Binmalay is majestically rich for its old buildings such as Binmalay Presidential or the Municipal Building, which is said to date back to the Spanish era and one of the known oldest presidential in the province. And the sophisticated century-oldest churches in Pangasinan, the Our Lady of Purification Parish Church. It has been standing in Binmalay since 1627. The church was managed by the Dominicans until 1898, before it was taken over by the diocesan clergy until 1932. Binmalay is famously known for its Sigay Festival. The Pangasinan word Sigay broadly translates to harvest, or a time gathered the rich yields of the farm, the sea, and the ponds and the rivers. It also relates to a contraction of words Silaw, meaning light, and Gayaga, meaning merriment. Needless to say, the heart of Sigay made us love and absolutely everything about Binmalay, from its breathtaking and natural wonders and cultural landmarks from a spectacular man-made attraction. Binmalay ensured that we had an action-packed experience, must-try, mouth-watering, delectable, and flavorous delicacies and Binmalay cuisines. People here in my town are welcoming despite of any uncertainties and challenges. We are still irrepressible and can rise in every situation. Binmalay is not just my home. It is a place that has shaped who I am today. Together, let's spread love, awareness, and create a brighter future for our beloved municipality. Galilan umpasyadya ud balay, bali na magayaga, galila, sigayla, Binmalay.